Good morning, class 6. We are in chapter Getting to Know Plants, which is chapter 8, and today I am going to proceed this chapter with the types of root. In previous lecture we talk about the types of root, which are tap roots, fibrous roots. Okay, let us discuss more about roots. Next topic is the function of roots. If you try to pull out a plant from the ground, it will not come easily. Whatever the roots said to be anchor are the plant that hold the soil, by which it not come out quickly. We know that for the survival of plants, plant absorb water and minerals present in the soil, and the water mineral salt reaches the stem and the branches through the system, thin and tubes, and the root and the stems. So whatever the systems are there in which water absorbed by roots can also bind the soil particles together and thus prevent soil erosion. Okay, so roots, whatever the roots of grasses and whatever the big plants planted on the bank of river or bank of lakes, they only to hold soil, so because it prevents soil erosion. Okay, modification of the root. In some plants, root perform other functions too beside the three primary functions mentioned above. For this, the structure is slightly changed, and these changes are known as modifications. So we know that about modification very well. Modification means what is the actual structure, what are the actual shape of anything. You can change the shape of things, they are said to be modification. The root are modified to store food. We eat radish, carrot, turnip because there is food stored in them. Which part of the plant are these? So these all are root. You can see radish, carrot, turnip, these all things are the root of a plant. We can eat because there is food stored in them. Okay, the food made in the green leaves travel downwards and is stored in this tap root. Plants uses this food when conditions are not favorable. Plants are modified to give extra support. The banyan trees has roots that grow down from its branches. As these roots reaches the ground, they fix themselves in the soil and give support to the spreading branch. So there are so many roots grown down to the branches, and whenever that roots reach the ground, okay, that fix themselves in the soil, that gives the support to the branches, whatever the branches is spreading in a huge tree. You can see this figure of banyan tree. Okay, now let us talk about, and these type of root are said to be prop roots. They are said to be prop roots. They support the tree just as a pillar support of building. Observe roots in sugarcane, screw pine, maize. These provide extra support to the thin stem and help it to remain upright. Okay, for their stability, for their standing capability, these things are provided support, extra support. Now let us talk about next part of plant is stem. Let us talk about stem. Function of stem. The stem keep the plant upright. The stem bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Leaves are arranged in such a way that they are exposed to plenty of sunlight. The stem transport water, minerals and food to all the parts of the plant. A set of thin tubes from the roots are connected to thin tubes in the stem. Water and minerals passes through by these tubes to leaves, flowers, birds and fruits, and the food made by leaves passes to the other part of the plants through the another set of thin tubes. Okay, so basically there the main three function of stems are there. First function, the stem keeps the plant upright. Second, the stem bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Leaves are arranged in such a way that they expose plenty of sunlight, and because These leaves trap sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. The stem transport water, minerals and food to all part of the plant. So these are the three main function of stem. Modification of the stem. Stem are modified to give support. If you look carefully at the dot, grapevine, passion flowers, you will find out all of these have been weak stems, like this one. Okay, this one. You will also notice thin thread like structure of the stem. These are modification of the stem and are known as stem tendrils. As soon as tendrils touch the ground surface, they coil around it. In this way, weak stems find support and go up. Stems are modified to store food. In some plants, the stem grows underground and stores food. Observe a fresh piece of ginger. You can see brown scale-like leaves on it. The ginger that we use in food is actually an underground stem. It is modified to store food. A potato is also an underground stem that is modified to store food. You can see these are the stems that are modified, which are stored food, like carrot, radish, turnip, which are roots, but here these are the stems that stored food. For example, ginger, potatoes are the underground stem that store food. Okay, now let us talk about stems of modified to make food. A cactus plant grow in desert where there is very little water. To prevent loss of water from the surface of the leaves, they are modified, they become spines. It is the green stem in the cactus that perform all the function performed by the leaves in the other plants, including the preparation of the food. The stem is fessily and can store water for long period. So cactus is those type of modified stems that make their food, okay, like leaves. Okay, so one thing that I want to tell you, please make notes about herbs, shrubs and trees. Please classify these all things on the basis of some parameter that given in table 8.1. okay, define creepers and climbers. And next very important topic, which is plant system, in which I have done the root and the types of root, taproot, fibrous root. Okay, and today I teach you about the stem, the function of stem and the modification of stem. So whatever things I taught you during classes, please write down in your notes and please read chapter carefully. Thank you.